Now that we have given the girls the bread of their affliction, it is time to give the boys the bread of their affliction. They are separated because it's only sneeze. What is this? They don't seem as enthused. Maybe Sigmund does. He is attempting to drag it up the ramp so he can put it in the bat cube. That's probably what he's doing.
Mm-hmm.
But he's distracted by the fact that it's delicious. Okay, this isn't terribly exciting. They are supposed to like shenanigans.
Nope, they're just eating.
It's still funny because it's huge and they're little.
Mm.
Oh, shenanigans? Here we go.
Sigmund, the Matzah's over here.
Sigmund, you want affection, not food, I understand, but you disappoint. Anyway. Oh, shenanigans, here we go. Or not. Oh, yes. Come on. What were you saying?
Rats with Matzah.
This is actually how we entertain ourselves.